One of the things that makes BizEnrich very unique from other types of networking organizations, consortiums, and business co-ops is our guiding principles. And we have 5 of them. They are add value, touch lives, build networks, be yourself, and stay open. So add value is all about making sure that every time you and I talk, every time that we engage in a consulting engagement, that I'm adding value to the conversation, to your business, to your life. The second principle, touch lives. Touch lives is where passion and purpose intersect. In other words, we want to go deeper than just the transaction of the business. We want to make sure that we're impacting your life and not just your business. Third principle, build networks. And it's build networks, multiple networks, not just one network. So we don't build a network of referral partners just within BizEnrich. We want to make sure that our members are out there in the community promoting the organization and promoting each other, because when we do that, we promote ourselves as well. The fourth principle, be yourself. It's more about finding your niche and being able to promote who you are, what you do, and how what you do benefits your clients. So it's really all about being unique in the marketplace and being yourself in the marketplace. And when you do that, you find that you don't have competitors, you have collaborators. And the last principle, the fifth principle, is very different than the first 4. The first 4 principles are all about giving. The last principle is all about receiving. So 80% of what we do is giving. The last 20% is being open and staying open to receiving. In other words, staying open to those opportunities when they arrive. When something comes to you and it's a great opportunity, whether it's for you or for one of your enrichment partners, you're right there ready to receive it and make sure that it's taken care of. Our guiding principles: add value, touch lives, build networks, be yourself, stay open.